Hi, I am Tamer. On this channel, we break down cybersecurity concepts clearly and practically without hype. In this video, I am going to explain how cyber attack actually work. When most people hear the term cyber attack, they imagine someone typing so fast, breaking into a system using advanced tools. But in real life, that's not how most cyber attacks start. Most real attacks begin with understanding, not hacking. An attacker usually starts by asking very simple questions. What is this system? What does it trust? What does it do? Cyber attacks are rarely about technical magic. They are usually about assumptions made by systems, developers, or users. Almost every cyber attack follows the same basic pattern. First, understand the system. Second, identify an assumption. And third, break or abuse that assumption. And finally, reach some kind of impact. That impact could be access to data, control over behavior, or disruption of a service. But the key point in this, the attacker does not start with tools, it starts with thinking. Let me give you a simple example, no technical details. Imagine a website that allows users to upload a profile picture. The developer assumes that user will only upload image files. That assumption might feel reasonable, but if the system does not properly check what is being uploaded, that assumption can be broken. At that point, the problem is not hacking skills, the problem is logic. This same idea applies to many common vulnerabilities, SQL injection files, upload issues, authentication problems. They are all variations of broken assumption. Once you understand this way of thinking, cybersecurity starts to make much more sense. This is why learning cybersecurity is not about memorizing tools, it's about learning how systems think and where they can be wrong. If you want to learn cybersecurity step by step and discuss these ideas with others, I have created a free CyberSecveillance community. We run weekly challenges and discussions focused on understanding real world concepts. You will find the link in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.